Hi, it's Keely Bird here, Charleston New Homes Guide, Ride with the Guide. Today we're going to be featuring the Four Seasons at the Lakes of Cane Bay by K Hovnanian. I can't wait to go in there and show you everything that this community has to offer. We're going to go ahead and tour this vina plan that they have here. It's one of their most popular plans, and I can't wait to show you guys what they have going on. So let's get in there. Right when you walk in, you can see how much this vina floor plan has to offer. The flex space could be used for a study or a parlor. It's almost a sunroom with how much light is coming in here. So really whatever your needs are. And then right into this gorgeous dining room. Tray ceiling, can lights, really showing off the trim package here. You can see the butler's pantry. The main living space flows right into the kitchen. They've chosen to put a fireplace in this model. And you can see again, all the windows and doors. Barely need to turn the lights on here. The kitchen is a nice coastal aesthetic, but they've used the blue subway tile, the glass subway tile, to kind of break it up a little bit. Double ovens, this is definitely for a gourmet. Cabinets are dovetailed, so soft close cabinetry. They have all the pull-out drawers in them, really nice cabinets. And this is a little eat-in area here for your kitchen and a wonderful view. Whoever gets this lot is gonna be lucky. And the white quartz countertops extend down here for a little workspace or whatever have you. Just nice flow in this model. Right off the main hallway, we have the master bedroom. This as well features the can lights and tray ceiling and more than accommodates this king-size bed set that's here. They also have access to the patio from here. And of course, that gorgeous lake view. The master bathroom is huge. Frameless shower door, transom window, tile all the way to the ceiling. Huge dual vanity, little space if you want to do your makeup or sit down while you get ready. And a luxury walk-in closet. I find it very appealing that the guest accommodations are completely separate from the master. And if you check this guest space out, I mean, look how tall the doors in the house are. These nice high ceilings. Ensuite bathroom for your guests. Tile selection is on point in here. And again, the tile goes all the way to the ceiling, transom window. Really thoughtful selections. Down here towards the garage, they went ahead and did the drop zone of everyone's dreams here. They decked out this laundry room with a sink and extra cabinetry. Even have a light in there. And don't worry guys, we haven't forgotten about you. 2-car garage that's fully finished, drywalled in, and it has the double door so that if you have a large truck, you can still get it in here. This open floor plan really lends itself to the entertainer. There is just such a seamless flow from the outside to the inside to the outside. This model features the pavers that the builder can do. So if you love outdoor living, this might be, a great upgrade for you. Can you imagine just sitting by that fireplace as you hang out with sunsets over this lake? Doesn't get much better than that. Well, I think this is definitely my favorite part of the tour. We're at the amenities center and I cannot wait to show you guys what they have going on in here. This is the main entrance to the amenity area and lots of places to gather. Beautiful ceilings, such wonderful design elements throughout. Love this herringbone floor pattern here. So just lots of areas to come gather and different things to do that we're gonna highlight right now. The Low Country Cafe is a great place to come meet your friends. Coffered ceilings are so beautiful. You can tell there's a couple other gathering areas as well. So you can come up here and meet one of your neighbors. The Palmetto room is where you can come show off those pool skills. They have 2 tables here set up for you. Nice billiards room here. The Sweetgrass Studio is a yoga room, and it is right across from this gym that has all the equipment that you could possibly need to get a great workout in. This is the Sullivan's Studio Art Room. Wonderful place to come get inspired. If you can't take the sun or it's just a cold day, you can come use this indoor heated pool and hot tub. This is an adult-only amenity. When you think of community and gathering and a retired lifestyle, this is what I think. This outdoor space lends itself to people coming up here, meeting their neighbors, heading over there for a game of bocce or pickleball, head into one of these outdoor pools. You can meet your friend and go get on that lake and kayak. This is a great opportunity for the nature lover out here. This is one of 3 pools. I think such a phenomenal feature of this community is that they have a pool designated for grandkids and a pool designated for residents and adults only. Lake access is definitely a defining feature of this community, and it's very exclusive, something that the Four Seasons is offering here. Grab a picnic, grab a paddleboard, come check out this lake. It's a wonderful feature. From the lake, you can really take in this amenity center, see how vast it is, and just how much it has to offer. With the sporting activities, the water activities, the areas to gather, the outdoor fireplaces, and the numerous pools. It's gonna be really hard to tell if you wanna spend time in that gorgeous new home or come hang out up here. With inventory being historically low, having new phases like this opening up is really exciting for people who have been trying to get in to a 55 plus community like this. This new phase will be opening up hopefully real soon. I'm here in the state-of-the-art sales center. You can call today to make an appointment to come check this out. The on-duty agents are a wealth of knowledge when it comes to everything that the builder can offer, available lots, and the great amenities that are happening here. So make your appointment today. Thanks so much for spending some time with us today up here at the Four Seasons at the Lakes of Cane Bay. I really loved this Ravina floor plan. I feel like this community has so much to offer. The amenities center, those new lots opening up. So we hope you enjoyed it as well, and I look forward to next week's Ride with the Guide.